In this tutorial, we'll go through how to use a Bloodborne Pathogens Exposure Control Checklist template. This template is designed to help organizations assess and maintain compliance with health and safety protocols aimed at minimizing the risk of exposure to bloodborne pathogens in the workplace. It ensures that preventive measures are documented, reviewed, and improved regularly, which is crucial for maintaining a safe and healthy environment for all employees, particularly those in roles with potential exposure. The checklist captures key data such as the checklist ID, program elements, job classifications, engineering and work practice controls, responsible persons, compliance status, corrective actions, review schedules, and more. By using this tool, organizations can stay proactive in identifying gaps, tracking completion, and ensuring accountability. So, let's start exploring how to use this checklist effectively to enhance workplace safety and compliance. At the center of the template, there's a bar chart titled Next Review Date Status. This chart visually tracks the status of checklist reviews based on their upcoming or overdue dates. It's divided into 4 color-coded categories. The green bar represents items that are still on time for review, the yellow bar shows those that are due soon, the red bar highlights overdue items, and the gray bar indicates the time already lapsed since the last review. This visual breakdown gives a clear overview of the checklist's compliance status, helping you prioritize which areas need immediate attention. The benefit of using this chart is that it allows for quick decision-making, improves accountability, and helps prevent missed reviews by keeping everything easy to monitor at a glance. The top left cell shows the total number of recorded checklists, currently 7. Tracking all records ensures completeness, accountability, and supports better compliance and safety monitoring. The cell below displays the current date, helping users track real-time entries and ensure checklist reviews align with scheduled timelines. Searching records using a date range is crucial for reviewing time-specific activities, identifying overdue items, and monitoring compliance trends. It helps ensure timely updates and focused follow-up actions. In this template, we've included a mini table on the right side dedicated to this function. To perform a search, simply input the start date and the end date. Once those values are set or adjusted, the merged cell below will automatically update to reflect the number of records falling within that selected date range. This makes tracking and analyzing checklist progress more efficient and precise. Let's navigate to the report worksheet. This report section is designed to give you a focused view of a single record pulled from the full data table. By entering a specific checklist ID, the form retrieves all related details for that record, such as program elements, compliance status, responsible person, and review dates, allowing for quick reference or updates. This setup is made possible using a combination of the VLOOKUP and IF functions, which dynamically fetch and display data from the main table in the next worksheet. Capturing data one record at a time ensures accuracy and simplifies reviewing or editing. So basically, all the checklist IDs are recorded in column D. Make sure to only use these IDs exactly as they are. Please watch my tutorial on Excel formulas and functions to understand how this system works. To use this report feature, all you have to do is change the checklist ID in the designated input cell. Once you enter a valid ID, the functions will automatically update the report with all the relevant details for that specific record. It's important to ensure that the ID you enter is exactly as it appears in the data table located in the next worksheet. If the ID doesn't match any record, the report will return blank or error values, so double-check for accuracy when entering the ID. This is the overview of the data table, which captures all the records in rows. Each row represents a unique checklist entry, allowing for organized storage and easy access to detailed information for effective tracking and management of exposure control activities. Above the table, there is a mini table summarizing key points from the data below. This summary provides a quick overview of important metrics, helping users quickly understand the status and trends without scrolling through all the records. I will now put the video on fast forward as I demonstrate how each of these buttons works, just to save time while still showing the full functionality in action. Using macros automates repetitive tasks, saves time, reduces errors, and ensures consistency throughout your workflow, making data management much more efficient. The search button is a powerful feature that helps users quickly find specific information within large data tables. Instead of manually scrolling through hundreds of rows, you just enter a keyword, ID, or value in the search cell and click the search button. Excel then highlights or focuses on the matching record instantly. This saves time and reduces data entry errors by ensuring you reference the correct record. It's especially useful for employee tracking, complaint logs, or health screening forms where quick, accurate access to data is essential for analysis and decision-making, improving overall efficiency and reliability. Before I demonstrate how to use this Add New Row button, let's manually add more rows to the worksheet. This will help us see how effective the button is when working with a large dataset, making it easier to manage and add new information quickly without wasting time. The Add New Row button is a real-time saver, especially when the table contains many rows. Instead of manually scrolling to the bottom to insert a new row, this button instantly adds a fresh row in the correct position. It streamlines data capturing, reduces errors, and helps keep your workflow smooth and efficient. For this Delete Row button, I will demonstrate how to delete rows at the bottom of the table and also rows within the main body of the table. The Delete Row button is very useful when managing large tables with many rows. Instead of scrolling through numerous entries to find and remove a specific row, this button quickly deletes the selected row instantly. It helps maintain clean, accurate data by removing unwanted records efficiently, saving time and minimizing mistakes during data capturing processes. The Save as PDF button lets you highlight a specific range within your large table and save only that selected data as a PDF file. This feature is very useful for capturing and sharing particular sections of your data without including the entire table, helping keep your reports clear, focused, and well organized while leaving other rows unaffected. So to effectively use this Save as PDF function, you don't have to include the table column headers. As you've seen, the macro will automatically adjust the columns such that they fit well in the PDF. It prioritizes fitting visible data first, along with its rows, and then automatically includes the table columns in the final output for a clean and readable report. The Save as Word button allows you to highlight and select a specific range within your large table, then save only that chosen data as a Word document. This is especially useful when you want to extract and save particular rows without including the entire table, making data capturing more efficient and organized, while keeping other rows untouched and intact. So to effectively use this Save as Word function, you have to include the table column headers. As you've seen, the macro will automatically adjust the columns such that they fit well in the Word document. It prioritizes fitting visible columns and their corresponding rows first, and then includes the table headers to ensure the exported data remains structured and readable. The Filter Data button allows you to display only the rows that meet specific criteria, hiding all other irrelevant rows. Always make sure to enter the correct names as they are to avoid errors. Read the instructions given in the dialog box on how to enter. This makes it easier to focus on important data without distractions. Once you're done reviewing or editing, simply click the Unhide button to reveal all hidden rows and return to the full table view. Now let's enter many characters in the cell to see how the Word report document will be saved. The macro should automatically adjust to fit all characters, no matter how long the text is. This helps ensure that even detailed or extended inputs are fully visible in the final report without being cut off. The Save as Word button on the report worksheet automatically saves a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a Word document. You don't need to select any range, making it quick and easy to export the entire report layout for a specific complaint. This ensures consistent formatting and saves time when sharing standardized reports without extra steps. Now we have opened our saved document, and as you can see, the characters that seemed not to fit in the Excel sheet cell are now fitting perfectly well. So this is how the macro works. The Save as PDF button on the report worksheet is designed to export a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a PDF file. You don't need to manually select anything, just click the button and your complaint report will be saved instantly with the correct layout. This simplifies the process, especially when you need to generate uniform reports quickly and professionally for documentation or sharing purposes. Now, this Save as PDF report will not adjust to fit many characters like the Save as Word button does, so always make sure to check your content before exporting. Alternatively, you can save it as a Word document first, then convert it to PDF for better formatting. To wrap up, I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to use this template more effectively to streamline your reporting and data management. These tools are built to save you time, reduce errors, and improve the way you track important workplace data. Stay tuned for more tutorials coming soon, and please don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. If you're looking for more Excel templates, check out my website or feel free to contact me. My details are in the video description as well as the channel description. Thanks for watching.